Nothing in this video is financial advice. Now you'll see how to buy Bitcoin or altcoins from Binance in just a few minutes. All you need to do is identify the coin you want to buy, then find the trading pair for it, and then buy the trading pair. Usually that's either Bitcoin, Ethereum, or BNB coin. Finally, you'll buy the altcoin you want from the markets with the trading pair that you just bought. So now let me show you the entire process from start to finish in minutes. First, so that you can buy cryptocurrencies from Binance, you must create your account. In the video description, we have given you here the link to Binance through which you can start your account creation. As you can see, we have the official affiliate code here, so in case you create your account through our link, you'll save -5% on the Binance trading fees. When you create your account, Binance will ask you to prove your identity. This is just standard KYC, also known as Know Your Customer type of regulation that the banking providers have to follow. So now I'm gonna assume you have your account, so let me show you how to buy crypto from Binance. Secondly, I'm gonna assume that you have already decided which coin you wanna buy. I have already made my decision. It is here, Monetha, MTH, and the trading pair is BTC, as you can see here. Here the BTC is my trading pair, and this means that I must buy Bitcoin to buy Monetha, or rather trade Monetha. So let's head to the buying. Simply click Buy Crypto from the main navigation and pick your preferred choice of payment. I'm gonna go with the bank card, credit or debit card. And as you can see, I've already filled in my info. My card is already here, and I'm just gonna type in the amount of crypto I wanna buy. Or rather, here I'm just gonna deposit euros to my Binance account. I'm gonna put in 1050 euros. Now, when you're doing this the first time, you don't have your card here, as I have now, but rather you have the option to add your card. It's just simply you just click the button and fill in your bank card, credit or debit card information and verify the card. It's really simple and takes less than a minute. And here where you see the Bitcoin icon, that's where you can change the trading pair. Like let's say your trading pair would be Ethereum or BNB. Simply click the Bitcoin logo here and change the crypto that you want to buy at this stage. This crypto will only act as an intermediary on the way when we're soon going to trade this trading pair to your actual wanted crypto that you're soon going to see. So let's buy this one. So I'm simply going to click buy here. And here we have about 1 minute to confirm our transaction. You can check that everything is okay in case you want to do it, but I'm just gonna confirm this as I already know that I want to make this purchase. And from here everything, or these kind of few steps, depend on your own banking service. For example, here I am confirming my transaction with my mobile phone, my mobile bank that I have been using for quite some time. And now I have confirmed my transaction and Binance is processing my purchase. And as you can see, I've now purchased some Bitcoin, which I'm next going to trade into Monetha. Now, how does that take place? Well, in the main navigation, you just go to the Trade tab. I've already opened this here in my browser. Here you just open your correct trading pair and click the trade, which takes you to the actual marketplace. Now, here you see how the price of Monetha or your currency has been trending towards your trading pair. So this necessarily doesn't mean that it's compared to euros or dollars. For example, this chart here shows how Monetha has been doing against Bitcoin because we're using Bitcoin to buy Monetha. Now, how does this work? Here in the buy section, I'm just gonna drag all of my Bitcoin. As you can see here is how much I have, and the bar that I just swinged to the right meant that I was going to use all of my Bitcoin, and I'm just going to buy my Monetha here, clicking the green button. So let's do just that. And instantly in the top right corner, as you can see, we get the confirmation that we just bought Monetha, the cryptocurrency I wanted to buy. And here you see that our BTC holdings have gone down, and actually now we have Monetha instead. And if you want to see where your currencies are, you can go here to the wallet, and from the spot and fiat section you can check your actual wallet holdings and your freshly bought crypto. By the way, the same view in the trading markets, this is where you can also change your crypto back to Bitcoin and then sell your Bitcoin to Binance. Now, if you're ready to start buying cryptos from Binance, Alts, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, anything of this, you can start your account creation by going into the video's description, clicking the link, its official affiliate link, and starting the onboarding. Start your account creation here. And thanks for watching the video till the end. We'll see you in the next one.